Hello everyone, I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. Welcome to Explore More and Learn. Today I'll talk about animal idioms, their meanings with examples. You can use these idioms in your daily English conversations. So I just suggest don't skip this video and watch it from the beginning till the end. It's not a long video, just watch it. So the first idiom is an elephant in the room. What does it mean? It means an obvious problem or issue that nobody is addressing. So, some problem about which nobody is talking. For example, we need to talk about the elephant in the room. Our team's lack of communication is causing major issues. Alright, you got it? Now you can use this example, this idiom in your day-to-day conversation. Another idiom, a fish out of water. What's the meaning? The meaning is someone who feels uncomfortable or out of place. It happens with you also sometimes when you feel uncomfortable or out of place. For example, I felt like a fish out of water at the fancy dinner party. Or another example can be when you join a new company, you were feeling like a fish out of water. Like that, you can use this idiom. Okay. So I would like that you give your own example in the comment box below. So at least I'll understand that you are watching this video. Alright. Now the next idiom, hold your horses. What is the meaning? It means stop, wait, or slow down. For example, hold your horses. Think twice before investing your money anywhere. Suppose somebody is going to invest his money somewhere and you want to stop that person. So here in this case, you can use this idiom, hold your horses. Okay, because you want to stop that person. Now another idiom, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. What is the meaning? Meaning is to appreciate what you have rather than taking a risk to get more. Okay, so be happy with what you have. Don't take risk to get more. For example, I know you are thinking about quitting your job to start your own business. But remember, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. So suppose somebody is already doing a job and he wants to quit that job. And he wants to start a job. So it can be a risk. Here, you can use this idiom. Now another idiom, busy as a bee. As you know, that bee is always active and busy. So that's why this idiom is used, like busy as a bee. So the meaning is extremely busy and active. For example, she is preparing for competitive exams, so she is busy as a bee. So she is always busy, extremely busy. So these were the meanings related to animals. And I hope you have understood them and you can use them in your daily conversations. So if you have liked this video, then press like and don't forget to share it. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.